Hello students, today we are going to see next concept of quadratic equation. That is, yesterday we have seen nature of roots. Okay, now we are moving one step forward. That is, the name of our concept is on determine the values of an unknown involved in the quadratic equation when the nature of its roots is given. Okay, nature of its root is given. That time we have to find out unknown values. Okay. So this is our the concept which is depend on the nature of roots only. Okay. Yesterday we have seen how to decide or how to determine nature of roots. Now, if nature of roots is given, then how to find out unknown values, that we are going to see. Okay. So before that, we are going to see some important results. Okay. Just I am telling you. Okay. You will get this. Just I am telling you. Whenever such type of examples will come, that time you will see how to use this. Okay. So these are inequalities. So see results to remember. Just I am reading now. When such type of examples will come, that time you will use the reference of this. That time you will understand better. What is given? See, ax minus b is greater than 0. Inequalities. Ax minus b is greater than 0. When it is greater than 0, if x is greater than b upon a. X is greater than b upon a. If a is greater than 0. If this a is greater than 0, then x is greater than b upon a. And when if a is smaller than 0, if a is smaller than 0, then x will be smaller than b upon a. How this b upon a came? X, this b will move that side, RHS, and x greater than b upon a. Okay, so these are the depend. This inequality is depend on the value of a. If a is greater than 0, then x is greater than b upon a. If a is smaller than 0, then x is smaller than b upon a. Okay. Second result is x square minus a square is greater than 0. If x square minus a square is greater than 0, when if x is smaller than minus a. If x is smaller than minus a, or x is greater than plus a. Okay. Third result is x square minus a square is greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0. If x is smaller than or equal to minus a, or x is greater than or equal to plus a. Okay. This is the third result. Now x square minus a square is smaller than 0. When if this is given, that time minus a is smaller than x and x is smaller than plus a. Okay, this result you will get. Now see, x minus a into x minus b is greater than 0. If the product of this, difference of this is greater than 0, then a is smaller than b, and if a is smaller than b, then x is smaller than a, or x is greater than b. Okay, what is given? See once again, x minus a into x minus b greater than 0. When a is smaller than b, that time when this condition will be satisfied, if x is smaller than a or x is greater than b. Okay. Now sixth one, x minus a into x minus b is smaller than 0. When it is possible, if a is smaller than b and a is smaller than x smaller than b. Okay. So this just I told you, we will take the reference when we will see such type of examples. Okay, so we are going to see here more examples. Now see here, find the values of k for which the given equation has real and equal roots. Real and equal roots. What is meant by real and equal roots? Which condition will be satisfied? Real and equal roots means real and equal roots means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Equal roots are there. When distinct roots are there, that time b is greater than or equal to 0. When real roots are there, that time what is going to come? B square minus 4ac, that is discriminant will be equal to 0. Okay. So with the help of that, we are going to find out. Now see here, unknown value is k, that we are going to find out. Okay. So what is given? Real and equal roots. Okay. So d is equal to 0. D means what? B square minus, that is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Okay. So now I am taking here, what is b? B is minus 10, minus 10 square minus 4 into a. What is a? 2 into c is k is equal to 0. Okay. So 10 square will be 100 minus 4 2s are 8, 8k is equal to 0. So 100 is equal to plus 8k. So k is equal to 100 divided by 8. K is equal to 100 divided by 8. So what will get here? K is equal to 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8 and 25. 25 by 2. Okay. B square will be 10 square plus 4 into a is 2 into k. So 100 by 8, that is 25 by 2. Okay. So this is the first answer. Here see directly it was is equal to, so there is no problem. Now second example, see same type of second example we are going to see. That is here also d is equal to 0. Equals to 0, that is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So what is b? 3k square minus 4 into a. What is a? 9 and c is 4 is equal to 0. So 3k square will be 3k square 9k square minus 9 4s are 36 into 4. 36 4s are 144 is equal to 0. So 9k square is equal to plus 144. Minus 144 will be in RHS plus 144. So k square is equal to 144 divided by 9. So both are perfect square. You can do that way also. Means you can take 12 by 3 plus minus, or you can divide here. 9 ones are 9. The remain 5, 54, 9 6 are 54. So k square is equal to 16. So k is equal to plus minus 4. The value of k is plus minus 4. Okay. So see here, first example is given. Find the value of k for which the equation x square minus 4x plus k is equal to 0 has distinct real roots. Has distinct real roots. Okay, distinct real roots. So which condition will be satisfied by this equation that we have seen yesterday? Okay, so distinct real roots. Equation x square minus 4x plus k is equal to 0 has distinct real roots. So definitely discriminant, that is d will be greater than the 0. D will be greater than 0. Okay, so d, that is b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. This condition will be satisfied. Okay, so depend on this we need to solve. Understood? So if this is clear, we can find out easily the value of k. Okay, so b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. That is the required condition because it has distinct real roots. Okay, so according to from this equation, what is a? What is the value of a? A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to k. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to k. So we will find out b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac is greater than 0. B square is minus 4 square. Okay, minus 4 square minus 4 into a. What is a? 1 and c is k is greater than 0. Okay, so 4 square is 16. 16 minus 4k is greater than 0. Okay, greater than 0. Now this greater than 0, so minus 4k we can set in RHS. Minus 4k we can set in RHS. That time what is going to happen? See, 16 is greater than plus 4k. Minus 4k will be plus 4k. Understood? So 16 divided by, so here I am taking that 16 divided by 4. 16 divided by 4 is greater than k. 16 divided by 4 is greater than k. So 4 4s are 16. So 4 is greater than k. Understood? So what is the question? Find the value of k for which the equation x square minus 4x plus k is equal to 0 as distinct real roots. So when k is smaller than 4 or 4 is greater, in this condition this equation will satisfy. Okay, so find the value of k for which the equation x square minus 4x plus k is equal to 0 has distinct real roots. So when here we can write when k is smaller than 4, that time equation has distinct real roots. Distinct real roots. Okay, so yesterday we have seen how to find out nature of the roots. Now here this is given nature of the roots and we have to find out unknown. Okay, so see here our second example is determine the positive value of k for which the equation x square plus kx plus 64 is equal to 0 and x square minus 8x plus k is equal to 0 will both have real roots. Two equations are given and both the equations have real roots. Okay, so now what is given here? X square plus kx plus 64 is equal to 0. This is, I am saying, first equation. These are the given. This is given equation. Second equation is x square minus 8x plus a is equal to 0. This is second equation. Okay, so here we can write given equations. Given equations are x square plus kx plus 64 is equal to 0 and x square minus 8x plus k is equal to 0. The equations are given and what they have told us, will both have real roots. Understood? Real roots means what? D, discriminant, is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so both the equations will satisfy the same condition. Okay, so now I am saying here, let D1 be the discriminant of equation 1 and D2 be the discriminant of equation 2. Okay, D1 is the discriminant of this equation, first equation, and D2 is the discriminant of second equation. Okay, so now we will find out what is both have real roots. So what we can say, D1 is also greater than or equal to 0 and D2 is also greater than or equal to 0 because both the equations have real roots. Understood? So now D1 we will find out with the help of this equation. D is what? D square minus 4ac. So that I will here D square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So first we will think about the first equation. Now directly values I am taking. Okay, so what is B? B is k. K square minus 4 into a. What is a? A is 1 into c is, what is c? C is 64 is greater than or equal to 0. So k square 64 into 4. 64 into 4 is 256 minus 256 is greater than or equal to 0. So k square, this minus 256 we can take that side, that will be plus 256. Okay, in RHS we can take. So k square is greater than or equal to plus 256. Okay, here I am taking that step. See carefully, k square is greater than or equal to 256. Okay, same step I have taken there. Understood? Now if you remove the square of this, then what we will get? K is greater than or equal to 16. K is greater than or equal to 16. Understood? So this is the first value of k. K is greater than or equal to 16. Now we will think about this. D2 is greater than or equal to 0. D2 is greater than or equal to 0. Understood? So now we will use second equation. D2 means again here b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0. Now see here, x, what is b? Minus 8. Minus 8 square minus 4 into a. A is 1 and c is k. Is greater than or equal to 0. So 64 minus 4k is greater than or equal to 0. So 64 is greater than or equal to plus 4k. Minus 4k we will move that side, that is plus 4k. Okay. So k, 64 divided by 4 is greater than or equal to k. So 4 16s are 64 is greater than or equal to k. Okay, 16 is greater than or equal to k. Now see, if from the first equation we got here k is greater than or equal to 16 and from second equation we got k is smaller than or equal to 16. Understood? And here in question they are asking determine the positive value of k. What we need to decide? Positive value of k. Okay, so which is the common a is greater than or equal to 16 and k is smaller than and equal to 16. So which is the common value? K is equal to 16. So our answer is k is equal to 16. Okay, this is the positive value which is required answer. Understood everybody what we have done? Two equations were given, d1 and d2 we have taken discriminant of the respective equations. d1 is greater than or equal to 0 because both have real roots and we have taken both. Okay, here this is known as inequalities. Okay, so there are some rules about inequalities. Okay, so wherever it is necessary that time we will explain it. Now only directly we have taken here a, this is b square minus 4ac. Here inequality is not changing. In which case it is changing, that we will explain. Okay, so now don't think about that. So here it is k is greater than or equal to 16 and here k is smaller than or equal to 16. K is greater than or equal to 16. So from that common value is k is equal to 16.